Today we'll build a fully functional CRUD endpoint in less than a minute. Your deployment includes a main CRUD runner that we will use, which already has access to a MongoDB database. We will simply drag and drop a new state element to this runner. Next, we will select generic master with ID entry for an endpoint with auto-generated IDs and give it a name to store in DB and access through URL. Once we save, our endpoints will be ready. Now, let's switch to Postman to test the endpoints created for us. First, let's check if the collection has any existing records, which should be empty. Now let's create a sample record with the post endpoint. Note that platform automatically adds some fields for versioning. Let's verify that the record is indeed created from the listing endpoint. It is also possible to use the standard get endpoint for getting single record we created, which was assigned ID 18. For completely overwriting our record details, we can use put method with a full body. The response will always return the full details of updated record in database. If you need to update only part of the record, patch method can be used with partial body contents, even for nested field values. It will still return the full record in response. Now let's delete the record we created and check the final list to verify that it is removed from database. In addition to editing individual records, a bulk update endpoint is automatically created to perform any of these actions on an array of records. This provides significant performance improvement for large volume operations, with bulk actions executed as a single request to the database. Last, but not the least, Rierino also automatically creates a GraphQL endpoint for the collection for more dynamic querying needs. All it took us for building such a comprehensive API set was adding one element to our runner. For building more customized APIs with Saga flows or authentication, follow us on YouTube for our upcoming videos or visit our developer documentation.